How I roll, mind out of control. You can get hit big with this fofo. Go ahead, man, get up on the damn shit.
Yeah, but real intelligent, man, and it's irrelevant what these other niggas really saying, man. They spelling shit, man, but I ain't telling shit, man. You know what's happening. If a nigga run up into socks to his chin, man, you know the chinny chin go down like the Remy. Niggas know what's happening, real smooth shot is in me. Man, you know what's up, you gotta feel it like Timmy's, man. You know when Daddy wore in the snow to get a Jimmy. Man, I got the Jimmy, and so she like the hat. And man, you know what's happening, love to hit it from the back. I'm a real live nigga, got badass swag. If you really know what's happening, nigga, get back. Don't get fucking jacked. Get your ass packed. I ain't even really worried, man. You know I keep that. Man, boom, foul, bing. And man, what is that? And nigga said, is that a hit? And no, that's from the cactus, you know, from the gap.
What? I always keep the hairy nigga. And if these niggas talking shit, they gon' feel me, nigga. Cause I got these holler tips to leave a nigga.
Instead of I be spitting, put a nigga in prison cause of everything I be spitting, that's the way that I'm living. A soldier, no competition. I hit you with a little weapon.
What?
You rejection a nigga who be talking of the
Shut up for that shit. Yeah, but it's all good though. I catch up on the beat, nigga, like some ketchup, bro. These niggas real mustard. They all in the street. They looking yellow, looking green, looking real green to me, cause I'm a real greenery. Man, I'm like a plant, man. Smoke a bar of me and get some of that, man. I'm one of these niggas come through like Pac-Man. Eat your ass up and leave your ass like that, man.
I'm all about my I'm down for my clique.
Yeah.
You catch a nigga shine, I'm in my brand new whip. It's still 7 Up, but we on some new shit. I see these niggas hating, tell me why they on my dick. They must want my brand new clothes and new whip. I bet these niggas hating, just waiting for me to slip. I bet they wanna snatch my chain, call me a bitch. But we cock back that 40 and shoot you in your shit. They call me Michi Blood and I ain't never been a bitch. I make somebody disappear for running at the lips. And like my nigga said, lose lip sync shit. Cause we can run up in your house and pop you and your bitch. And
damn, run up in your house, pop you and the bitch. Man, my shit off the top of my dome, man. I don't even know this. What's coming out next? I'm one of them niggas that be pissed off and mad and upset. But I can get a nigga what's happening. You would think it was wet. But I ain't never been like that. And a nigga know what's happening, man. I'm keeping that ignition, the ignition, and get the nation independency. Nigga, not Democrat or Republican. Best to feel a nigga, yeah, I'm stuffing in all in black bags if I got you. But nigga, I ain't did it yet. Ha! Did you hear that? Nigga, don't piss me off, cause nigga, I'm with that. If you want that, you can get that. I'm one of them niggas to get them real fast, and hop over the wall, jackrabbit for my cash. Oh my God, the fastest animal on this planet. I gotta get it, and yes, you know what's happening though. I fly around, buzz bees is like mosquitoes. Better get it though, nigga, hot Cheeto. Better get it, man, I like my reefer in the steel though. Keep it though, that's wagging. Just like my nigga 4Dub said, I ain't never been a hater, man. I keep Smollett. Them niggas got up in they tech, nigga, when they stuff that. Nigga, long clips, double rounded, and I tuck that. Nigga, I ain't tripping, man. What's happening, man? I ain't bluffing. But a nigga get it, cause a nigga love something. Damn.
Look, Remy go hard when they're swerving in that purple cup. They got to go hard if they think that they can fuck with us. I know some real killers that'll leave you with some paper. Essie, that's my brother, man. That nigga don't give a fuck. We catch you at the light. Best believe we gon' light you up. Hey, watch it though, Jay.
Hey,
everything you do though?
Getting off. That's why we about to watch the video. Real live shit. I'm thugging off on my stereo.
Y'all right,